Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about heating element for Star Mfg part #2N-11030-31. The Lang part #2N-11030-31 is a heating element for a commercial oven. It is a high-quality, heavy-duty replacement part that is designed to provide reliable and efficient heat transfer. The heating element is made of stainless steel and features a high wattage rating of 5,500 watts. It has an overall length of 24 inches and a width of 3 inches. The heating element has two terminals that are connected to the oven's power source, allowing it to heat up quickly and evenly. This heating element is designed to last for many years with proper maintenance and see. This part fixes the following symptoms. This heating element is used to replace a faulty or worn-out heating element in a Lang commercial oven. It is designed to fix issues such as uneven heating, poor temperature control, and lack of heat. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by disconnecting the power to the appliance. 2. Remove the access panel from the appliance and locate the existing heating element. 3. Disconnect the wires from the existing heating element and remove it from the appliance. 4. Install the new heating element into place, making sure that it is properly aligned with the mounting bracket. 5. Securely tighten all screws and bolts to ensure a secure fit. 6. Reconnect the wires to the new heating element, making sure that they are connected correctly and securely tightened. 7. Replace the atches. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.